Hello everyone, we are talking about computer specification and compatibility. Specification are summary of computer internal components, including its processor, memory, RAM, Windows version, and other system information. Example of PC specs including hard drive, capacity, and processor. Speed PC specs can show you whether your computer can perform certain processes. What are the different specifications of computer parts? Computer specification or hardware, processor speed, model, and manufacturer, random access, memory, or RAM. This is typically indicated in gigabytes or GB. Hard disk, sometimes called RAM. Another specification might include network, internet, or Wi-Fi, adapters, or audio and video capabilities. What are the speed units used in different computer parts? The clock speeds of computers is usually measured in megahertz or gigahertz. 1 megahertz equals 1 million tricks per second and 1 gigahertz equals 1 billion tricks per second. Capacity units. A bit beyond the digit of the smallest increment of data computer, a can bit hold only one of two values, 0 or 1, corresponding to the electrical values of or disponibility. Because bit are small, rarely works with information 1 bit of the time. Bits are usually assigned into the group of 8 to form byte. A byte contains enough information to store single ASCII characters like H. A kilobyte or KB is 1024 bytes, not 1000 bytes, or the might expected because computers are binary based to math instead of the decimal based 10 system. Specifications are designed for office computer. Storage, hard drive, and SSD. This is where you store all your games, photos, music, and another data. When building a gaming PC, you'll need at least one hard drive or SSD. You can add additional storage if you need more space. If you can afford a higher capacity SSD, we still recommended choosing a one that's at least 120 gig. A graphic card or GPU. The graphic card is responsibility for all the visual in your games. So, on the good rules or the is to get the most powerful GPU you can afford. You should spend more than 45% out of your total budget on the graphic card. A motherboard. The motherboard is the main secret of the board in your computer that all the other components connected to provide the basic framework for your build. And you'll need to the motherboard that has a CPU socket matching at the processor and enough RAM slot and accommodate the amount of RAM you're using. How can I tell you that the computer parts is compatible with the motherboard? The way you check the compatible between a CPU that the motherboard is to make sure that they both support the same socket. This is another one. Another one of the most important compatibility check that you must do, because if they mess up the compatibility between the CPU and the motherboard, your PC is just dead in the water. And that's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.